let's talk about all the templates that are available in Google Docs and how you can make them. So how they are made, and now we're gonna talk about how to analyze them in order to we make it really by our own. So first thing first, let's go with this one. I think this one, it looks nice and pretty good. So how we can make using Google Docs like this template to us. I think it's very less quality. I don't know why, but as you can see, it's really made of tables. So there is one row, and there's only one row, and there's a written text, and there's picture. And down in here, still there is one row, still, and there is a border. Okay, so it has a border. So the bottom has border. Down in here, they have still one column and one column, so 2 columns per and with 1 row. So it's very easy to make like this one, okay? So you can make it right now, and then it's very easy. So let's go with another one. Let's go with this. Now, this is also easier, okay? It's into 2 parts. This is the 1 row, 1 column, and then this one is into another column, okay? So you understand right now how to make it. It's very easy. So the concept and the powerful thing of table starts when you can imagine anything you can create. And it's out of imagination sometimes even. So let's go with another one and to see if we can make another one. So let's see. Oh, this one, okay? This one looks amazing, right? So it's invoice. We already learned how to invoice, how to create an invoice, but you can see right now there is a logo and there is an invoice called name and data. So this is into 1 row with background color gray, and that's it. So then there's another column, and the border is white. And then down in here, there's border table, and all the thing is here. Now it's very easy. Okay, you can do that. And there's another one. Here's another one also. It's the same thing as that. Okay, so don't worry. Now, of course, this one is also very easy to make in Google Doc. Okay, the only thing you need to have is just to have a table. Sorry, yeah, a table just with the 3 column with 1 row. So this is 1 row and 3 column, okay? And then into it, so you can add more things and more pictures. So let's go to the next part. Okay, this is lesson planner. Okay, it's another thing. Now, how you can put like these leaf to your document. We can use inserting pictures. Okay, if you already have like this PNG format, so you can insert it and then drop down there all the time. Okay, let's do that as an example. I'm gonna go to the web, leaf PNG. Okay, you type leaf PNG, and then you find it out. Okay, and then you find it out, and then you hit insert. Right now it's gonna be inserted into your document. Okay, it's gonna be big, don't worry, and we're gonna make it a little bit less size. Okay, now the only thing you have to be curious is in front of the text. This should be in front of the text. Okay, now you can swap it. You can do like this, and I'm gonna copy paste it one more time. Copy paste. Why it's not working? Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but basically you can copy and paste. Okay, you can see I already did. And there you go. It's gonna be fixed position on page. And this one also fixed position on page. Yeah, so using this technique, you can make that like that leaf, and then the rest is very easy. Okay, the rest you can put a little bit like that, and then somehow, so it's very easy. You can do that. we might also want to create like this, okay? But you got the idea on how to make it really. So you can also make like this table so that without any worry. And these things are also very super easy for you right now, okay? So because you got the table idea, and then you got the top table strength, so there's no worry about it. And also this one is also very easier. There's a row and an image, and then there is another column with one row, and there is text written in it. And then down in here, there's 5. I can't 1, 2, 3. This is 5 column, and 2 is red, and the other is phone and house number or address. The address and the other is message or text box, I think. Now, calendar is also very easy to make in Google Doc, okay? But we have to make it using Google Sheets sometimes. Most of the time, we make it using Google Sheets, okay? So there's no worry. Competitive analysis. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column, and 6 column, yeah, and many rows. Yeah, it's very easy. This one looks also very easy, but it's very colored. It's made of this one is made of Google Sheet. We cannot make it. We can make, but it's a little bit hard in Google Docs. It's time consuming. This one, it's also very easy to make in Google Docs, but Google Slide also is available for us to make like this one. Also, we can. The whole thing is you have to have the picture. If you have the picture, the rest is very easy. The rest is made of table, and it's very accurate. This one is also very easy. Only basic text and table. Oh, this one also looks amazing, and there's still the PNG format of these things that you can insert into it, and you can make it. And let's go something. And this one, we have the check mark. We had the check mark, right? Yes. So this one you can make it with one table, and the rest, maybe this one into another table, this one another column, this one another column. So 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, and then 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 1 column, 2 column, and then 3 column. So like that, you can make it very easy, and it's without any time consumption. And we have tons of templates, okay? Right now, you have the power of analysis, okay? You can analyze how to make like that templates. Even you can make Google Docs itself templates like that. So you can go to template like gallery, and you can see right now how they are made. And it's very easy for you right now to see. Now, the only thing that I need you is to see that they are almost made of table. And that's the whole modern thing. That's the super powerful thing we have right now. In the table is very super powerful tool ever. Okay, and some of them need add-ons, so that's fine. Okay, we will also talk about them in future. Okay, see you in next lecture.